DEBIX Industrial Computer proudly supported Team LuLu at the NXP Cup. At the heart of their autonomous race car, the powerful DEBIX Model A SBC. As the brain, it offers ample processing power, a dedicated NPU, versatile interconnects, and a flexible Linux environment, enabling the team to program flexibly and integrate diverse sensors. From concept to competition, DEBIX enabled their success. Watch Team LuLu dominate the track, securing an impressive 7th place. DEBIX, powering the next generation of engineers. Learn more today.